welcome back to my channel. I am Shinjini, and if you are seeing me for the first time, then it would mean a lot to me if you could spare a moment and subscribe to my channel. So Raksha Bandhan is just a couple of days away, so in this video I have created this look. I think pink is such a versatile color. It can go with all kinds of outfit. You can wear it in the morning or even in the evening, depending on whenever you're planning to celebrate. So without any further ado, if you're interested to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. So I have cleaned my face and applied moisturizer, and now I'm ready to put on some makeup. So the first product that I'm going to use today is a primer, and this one is from Colorbar. Now a primer helps to make your makeup last longer, and also if you have any open pores, especially around this nose area, then it helps to fill out those pores, and so your foundation can be smoothly applied on the skin. So next up, I'm going to apply a foundation. For foundation, I'm going to use this one by Nykaa Skin Genius, and I'm in the shade 03 Warm Sand. I'm going to use a beauty blender to blend out the foundation. For concealer, I'm going to use my favorite one, and that is the LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm in the shade Medium Beige. So now that I have blended my concealer, I'm going to set my face using a translucent powder. So if you don't have a translucent powder or a loose powder, then you can also use a compact powder to set your face. So I'm going to use the All Set to Go translucent powder, and this is by Sugar Cosmetics. So I have applied the translucent powder especially on those regions of my face where I have applied the concealer, and now I'm going to let it sit on my face for 1 or 2 minutes, during which I'm going to do my eyebrows. So if you follow me already, then you know that my favorite go-to eyebrow product is using a dark eyeshadow. So I am going to use this dark eyeshadow from the Maybelline Nudes palette, and taking an angular brush, I am going to quickly fill in my brows. Done with my brows, so now I will quickly wipe off the excess powder from my face. Next up, I'm going to do my eyes first before I go to my face, and for that I'm going to quickly zoom you in. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to use this palette. This is the Makeup Revolution Tropical Eyeshadow Palette. So first I'm going to take this shade and I'm going to apply it on my crease. So next I'm going to take this eyeshadow and put it on my eyelid. I will add a little bit shimmer to my eyeshadow, and for that I will take my Maybelline Nudes palette, this particular white shade, and I will apply it lightly onto my eyelid. Taking the same eyeshadow combination, I am also going to apply it to my lower lash line. Taking my eyeliner, I am going to draw a thin line above my eye, and for eyeliner I am going to use this one from Sugar. So for mascara today, I am again going to use the Sugar. This one is the Uptown Curl Waterproof Mascara in the shade Black Beauty. So now that I'm done with my eyes, I'm going to finish off my face quickly. So for contour and blush, I am going to use this palette. This is the BU. This is the Strobe and Define palette from BU. For setting spray, I'm going to use the NYX Matte Finish setting spray, so that all the powder that I've applied on my face blends in and looks like my own skin. So for lipstick, I'm going to use this Maybelline Matte Ink, and this is in the shade 08 Ruler. that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do recreate this look, then don't forget to mention it in the comment down below. And also have a wonderful day celebrating with your loved ones on Raksha Bandhan. But don't forget to take all the precautions and stay safe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.